What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Brothers Outdoors coming to you live from my parents' house. Came out here today to do a little cooking. I'm gonna do some deer backstrap and deer steak fajitas, and we also gonna do a ground deer party dip. So y'all gonna see how we do it. Just a lot of different ways that you can prepare deer meat, and I'm looking forward to showing it to y'all today. Also looking forward to showing you my new seasoning that I'm debuting towards the end of the spring. So it'll be available for y'all to purchase on various platforms and on www.brothersoutdoors.com. So let's get ready, man. Check out these recipes. Brothers Outdoors begins right now. What up, bro? All right, y'all. So I got my backstraps and I got my deer steaks out. Got to cut these up and cut them to some nice little strips for the fajitas. Let's get it in. All right, y'all, so I got my Brothers Outdoor seasoning here. It will be for sale here soon. It will not have this label. It's the old school label. I got a new manufacturer who's going to be helping me distribute these, and we're going to be selling them. They're going to look real nice, but it is this size. A pretty decent size bottle of the Brothers Outdoors Memphis style all-purpose seasoning. It will do good on everything. So let's get it on this deer meat. And we ain't going to be stingy with it. Got that on there. You can see it's got a nice little coat. Got a nice coat. And then I'm gonna put a little olive oil on here because deer is not like beef. It gets a little dry, so you need it. You need all the moisture you can get with it. So y'all see we got a little olive oil on there now. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil to it, and that's gonna do the trick. So we added more seasoning to it, just to be a generous coat.
Hey, what's up? Brothers Outdoors, we in the house. We're here, we're gonna do a little grilling on the grill with some backstraps and tenderloin. And so what I have here are some backstraps that I've already kind of cut into chunks and a couple tenderloins. We're gonna cut them into some nice steak size. I've got one of my secret salt, seasoned coarse sea salt. It kind of melts and infuses into the meat and gives a really good seasoning. And the best seasoning of all, though, is his Brothers Outdoors all-purpose seasoning that we're going to finish it with. So this coarse salt will help kind of break down the little gamey texture and kind of help break that down. And this is going to finish it off to give us a great taste for today. So let's do it. Nice size, bite-sized steak. And with these, you won't need to grill them long because, you know, it's cutting them thin enough to where they're cooked fast enough and we'll be ready to eat. So we'll get this all cut up. All right, let's cut. And we're gonna season it now. So we'll just kind of lay them out here. Make sure we get the seasoning everywhere, real nice and even. First, we'll just add a little coarse sea salt to you know, break it down the way we said. Let that sit for a second. Put a little of the, and we're gonna flip it here in a minute. So we'll add this delicious Brothers Outdoor seasoning. That ought to get that. And we can add this to the fajita mix that we want to do.
Yeah, we can add that to the fajita mix. All right, y'all. So now I'm about to make the tray for the cheese dip. And start, you're gonna grease the pan, and also you're gonna start putting your toppings in. So for me, it's gonna be a bunch of cheese first, and you're just gonna kind of stack it up across the bottom of the pan because you want that to melt first. Don't mind my hack job. I'm just hacking it away right now. Original Rotel. And I got some chopped green chilies. They're a little spicy, so let's just add this to it. Got the green chilies in there. Then we're gonna add the Rotels. Juice and all. You want it wet. So don't strain it. Put it in there like that. And then, for me, I like to take this Brothers Outdoor seasoning right here. And we're going to give it a generous dousing. It's going to be a generous dousing of it. Just like that. And so, for me, I guess I'll add y'all want some onions too?
Right ahead.
A little onion. I think that's enough. Don't want to overdo it with the onions. You want to be able to whisper to somebody when you finish eating this.
What you doing, Mom?
I'm cutting up
Y'all
some
get
apples
Oh, yeah.
and some oranges.
Oh, let's flip the tenderloin and backstrap. We're gonna flip each one, and then make sure we add some seasoning to the other side. We've given this a little bit to marinate on one side, and just gonna flip it and do the same on the other. All right. Finish it with Brothers Outdoors, just like we did on the other side. And that's it. So we'll let this rest a little bit, and then we'll grill it up and eat it up.
And you'll be able to get this season here real soon. It's coming to a store near you. In here, we got our Rotel, we got our onions, we got green chili peppers, and we got Brothers Outdoor seasoning. About to set it on the smoker and just let it ride. Let the good times roll. So we just gonna set this over here. So that's that. And that's gonna be down for a little while. So we just gonna sit it right there. So you hold it. And this is good, y'all. This is, one of these is ground deer meat and the other is sausage. This is deer sausage. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, how does one brown meat on the barbecue grill? Well, the answer is you gotta have a skillet. You gotta have a skillet to brown meat on here. Once again, got my Brothers Outdoor seasoning. We're gonna give it a nice coat. A nice coat. Now, that's it. I need another couple minutes and this will be done. Y'all, so we got our Rotel. It's been Rotel and cheese dip and green chilies and onions. It's already been cooking down and melting. So now we're gonna take this ground meat. I'm gonna slide this over a little bit first. We're just gonna drop it all in. We're not gonna strain it because, like I said, deer is a very lean meat. Deer is a very lean meat. All right, so we got our fajita vegetables. Didn't cut it myself. Kroger did it for me. We just gonna take this and dump it on our skillet. And we're gonna let these cook down. After these cook down, then we're gonna add our backstraps and deer steaks. And of course, we're gonna season it too.
What?
With our special Brothers Outdoors all-purpose seasoning. Got wife Bay up here doing a little, what's it, sous chefing.
You can't make camera in my face. All right, well, it just needs to sit for a second.
All right, so we're gonna put these on the grill. We try to do it fast because they're not gonna take long to cook. Love that sound it makes when it sizzles. So we'll just drop these here. Let them cook about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. We're gonna flip them. Get ready to eat them.
That's it right there.
All right. A few minutes, we'll flip them.
Word. All right, y'all. So our vegetables are kind of at their midpoint when they're halfway done cooking. So now we're about to add our backstrap fajita to the peppers and onions. There it is. No, man.
We will let this side cook for just a couple minutes. Get these bad boys on the grill. Doesn't take long.
Let me try another one now.
Good. That's one of the most tender tails I've had.
This one now turned out the same way on the skillet. I mean, on the, thinner skillet. All right, y'all, so our fajita mix is done. We got our onions in here. We got our bell peppers. We got our back straps. And as y'all can see, it looks pretty good. So we're gonna take it in here and put on some tortillas. And you know what, matter of fact? I forgot to grill tortillas. All right.
Can't forget that.
All right, look at that. I mean, you could, but it would be awesome.
We want awesome.
Yep, we sure do. We did it. All right, y'all. So y'all have seen us cook and devour these amazing dishes. Ronne came through with the steaks, with the deer steaks on the grill, with the sea salt and the Brothers Outdoor season. I did the smoked rotel dip on the grill, and it was amazing. But I think my favorite thing was the fajitas. What about y'all? What was y'all favorite?
All of it.
All of it.
What was your favorite?
All of it.
What about y'all?
All of it.
Everything.
What about you, Mom?
Rotel dip.
So that's cool, man. We're going to be doing a lot more cooking videos. We're not just cooking venison going in the future. You're going to see us cooking maybe chicken, maybe fish, maybe Sasquatch. But we'll see, man. Y'all stay tuned for Brothers Outdoors. More episodes coming soon. We'll see y'all later. Peace.
Like, comment, subscribe.
There it is.